The Parma wallaby is a small and shy marsupial. It is native to the forests of eastern Australia. Parma wallabies are known for their delicate features and elusive nature. They are fascinating creatures with a unique story. Join us as we discover more about this adorable and rare animal. The Parma wallaby is an important part of Australia's biodiversity. It plays a vital role in its ecosystem. Understanding this animal helps us appreciate the complexity of nature. Learning about its plight highlights the importance of conservation. The Parma wallaby is found in a specific region of Australia. Its home is the eastern coastal forests of New South Wales. These forests provide the perfect environment for this small wallaby. They offer dense vegetation for shelter and a variety of food sources. The Parma wallaby prefers areas with thick undergrowth. This provides protection from predators. The climate in these forests is mild and humid. This suits the Parma wallaby's needs. The Parma wallaby is one of the smallest wallaby species. It measures about 45 to 55 centimeters in length. Its weight ranges from 3.5 to 6 kilograms. Despite its small size, it has a robust build. Its fur is dense and soft. The fur is a reddish-brown color on its back. Its belly is a lighter cream color. The Parma wallaby has large, dark eyes. It also has long, powerful hind legs for hopping. The Parma wallaby is herbivorous. Its diet consists mainly of various grasses, herbs, and other plant matter. They are selective feeders. They prefer tender shoots and leaves. Their feeding habits are crucial for the forest ecosystem. They help to disperse seeds and maintain plant diversity. Their grazing also influences the structure of the undergrowth. Section 5. Living as a Parma wallaby, foraging and social life. Parma wallabies are primarily nocturnal. They spend most of the day resting in their nests. These nests are often hidden in dense vegetation. As the sun sets, they emerge to forage for food. They are solitary animals. They only come together for breeding. Females typically give birth to a single joey. The joey stays in its mother's pouch for several months. Section 6, a rare sight, the Parma wallaby's rediscovery. The Parma wallaby has a remarkable history. It was once thought to be extinct. This was due to habitat loss and hunting. In 1965, a small population was rediscovered on Kauai Island in New Zealand. This rediscovery sparked hope for the species' survival. It led to conservation efforts to protect the remaining populations. The Parma wallaby serves as a reminder of the resilience of nature. Section 7. The Parma wallaby in danger, threats to survival. Despite its rediscovery, the Parma wallaby still faces numerous threats. Habitat loss due to deforestation remains a major concern. Introduced predators such as foxes and feral cats also pose a significant danger. Climate change is another emerging threat. Changes in rainfall patterns and increasing temperatures can negatively impact their habitat and food sources. Section 8. Protecting the Parma wallaby, conservation efforts. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the Parma wallaby. This includes habitat restoration and predator control programs. Establishing protected areas helps safeguard their remaining habitat. Public awareness campaigns are crucial. They educate people about the importance of conservation. Research programs are also essential. They help us understand the species' biology and develop effective conservation strategies. Section 9. Our shared responsibility. Ensuring the Parma wallaby's future. The future of the Parma wallaby depends on our collective efforts. By supporting conservation organizations, we can contribute to their protection. Reducing our ecological footprint helps lessen the pressure on their habitat. Learning about and appreciating this unique species fosters a sense of responsibility. Together, we can ensure that the Parma wallaby continues to thrive in the wild for generations to come. Section 10. Behavior and interaction, understanding Parma wallaby's behavior. The Parma wallaby exhibits fascinating behaviors. They are known to be solitary but have specific social interactions during the breeding season. Their communication involves a series of vocalizations and body language. Understanding these behaviors helps in their conservation. By studying their interaction patterns, researchers can develop better strategies to protect them. For instance, recognizing their territorial needs can aid in creating more effective conservation zones. Furthermore, understanding their breeding behaviors can enhance captive breeding programs, ensuring genetic diversity and population growth. These insights not only aid in the immediate preservation of the species, but also provide valuable information that can be applied to other conservation efforts. The more we learn about the Parma wallaby, the better equipped we are to ensure their survival. Section 11. Interaction with other species, the Parma wallaby's ecosystem. The Parma wallaby interacts with various species in its habitat. These interactions include competition for food and shelter. They also play a role in seed dispersal, which benefits other plant species. Studying these interactions provides insights into the ecosystem's health. Section 12. Advanced conservation strategies, ensuring long-term survival. Conservationists are employing advanced strategies to protect the Parma wallaby. These include genetic studies to understand their population structure. Captive breeding programs are also in place to boost their numbers. Collaboration with local communities is essential for the success of these efforts. Section 13. Climate change impact, adapting to a changing environment. Climate change poses a significant threat to the Parma wallaby. Changes in temperature and rainfall patterns affect their habitat and food sources. Conservationists are studying how these changes impact the wallaby and developing strategies to help them adapt. As the planet warms, the delicate balance of the Parma wallaby's ecosystem is disrupted. Imagine their lush forest homes turning arid and barren, their food sources dwindling. It's a stark reality that we cannot ignore, but there's hope. Scientists are on the front lines, meticulously monitoring environmental changes and their effects on the Parma wallaby. Adaptive management plans are being devised to create resilient habitats. This includes planting climate-resistant vegetation and ensuring water sources remain abundant. By understanding the complexities of climate change, we can forge a path that secures a future for these resilient creatures. Together with science and community effort, we can help the Parma wallaby navigate the challenges of a changing world. Our actions today will determine the survival of these unique marsupials for generations to come. Section 14. Public involvement, how you can help. The survival of the Parma wallaby isn't just in the hands of scientists and conservationists, it's in yours too. Public involvement is crucial for the conservation of this unique marsupial. By supporting conservation organizations dedicated to preserving the Parma wallaby and their habitat, you can make a tangible difference. Local conservation efforts such as habitat restoration projects and community cleanups are invaluable. Imagine being part of a team that plants trees, restores native vegetation, and ensures the wallaby's home remains safe and thriving. Your hands-on participation can directly impact their survival. Educating others about the importance of biodiversity and conservation is another vital step. Share what you've learned with your community. Organize workshops, school programs, or even simple conversations with friends and family. Every bit of awareness helps build a supportive community that values and protects our natural world. Remember, every action counts. From donations to volunteering to simply spreading the word, your involvement can create a ripple effect, leading to a brighter future for the Parma wallaby. Together, we can ensure that these remarkable creatures continue to grace our planet for generations to come. Join us in making a difference. The Parma wallaby is counting on you. Section 15. Future research, exploring new frontiers. Future research is essential for the continued survival of the Parma wallaby. Scientists are exploring new areas of study, such as the impact of diseases and genetic diversity. These studies will provide valuable information for developing effective conservation strategies. By understanding the health challenges faced by the Parma wallaby, researchers can devise ways to mitigate these threats. Genetic diversity is another critical area of study. Maintaining a healthy genetic pool ensures that the species remains resilient against environmental changes and diseases. Innovative technologies such as drones and satellite tracking are being utilized to monitor the wallaby's movements and habitat use. These advanced tools offer a detailed understanding of their behavior and needs, allowing for more precise conservation efforts. Collaborative research projects involving universities, conservation organizations, and government agencies are paving the way for groundbreaking discoveries. By supporting and funding these research initiatives, we can unlock new knowledge that will help secure a future for the Parma wallaby. The quest for understanding and protecting this remarkable species is ongoing. With each new discovery, we move closer to ensuring that the Parma wallaby continues to thrive in its natural habitat. Join us in supporting future research and exploration. Together we can make a difference for the Parma wallaby and countless other species that share our planet. Section 16. Cultural significance. The Parma wallaby in indigenous culture. The Parma wallaby holds cultural significance for indigenous communities in Australia. They're featured in traditional stories and are considered an important part of the natural heritage. Understanding this cultural connection helps in creating inclusive conservation strategies. For many Indigenous Australians, the Parma wallaby is not just an animal. It is a symbol woven into the very fabric of their cultural identity. Traditional stories passed down through generations often feature the Parma wallaby, highlighting its role in the ecosystem and its spiritual significance. By acknowledging and respecting these cultural connections, conservation efforts can be more inclusive and effective. Indigenous knowledge offers valuable insights into the natural behaviors and habitats of the Parma wallaby, which can complement scientific research. Collaborative efforts between Indigenous communities and conservationists lead to more holistic and sustainable conservation strategies. This cultural reverence for the Parma wallaby underscores the importance of preserving both the species and the rich cultural heritage associated with it. As we strive to protect the Parma wallaby, we must also honor and incorporate the wisdom and traditions of Indigenous peoples. Together, we can create a future where both the Parma wallaby and the cultural heritage it represents continue to thrive. Section 17. Detailed diet. What Parma wallabies eat. The Parma wallaby's diet is diverse and includes various plant species. They prefer tender shoots, leaves, and grasses. Their selective feeding habits play a crucial role in maintaining the forest's plant diversity. Studying their diet helps in understanding their ecological role. By consuming a wide range of vegetation, they help in seed dispersal and promote the growth of different plant species. This not only benefits the wallabies, but also supports a healthy and balanced ecosystem. The Parma wallaby's diet is a testament to their adaptability and the intricate connections they have with their environment. Understanding what they eat is vital for conservationists to ensure that their natural habitats are preserved and that the wallabies have access to the resources they need to thrive. Section 18. Breeding habits. The life cycle of Parma wallabies. The breeding habits of Parma wallabies are unique and fascinating. Females give birth to a single joey, which stays in the pouch for several months, nurtured and protected until it is ready to face the world. Understanding their breeding habits is essential for their conservation. Efforts are being made to protect breeding habitats, ensuring that female wallabies have safe and suitable environments to raise their young. Through these conservation efforts, we can help ensure the survival of joeys, supporting the continued existence of this remarkable species. By studying their life cycle, we gain insights into the challenges they face and the strategies they employ to thrive in their natural habitats. Section 19. Physical adaptations. Surviving in the wild. The Parma wallaby has several physical adaptations that help it survive. These include powerful hind legs for hopping and dense fur for protection. Studying these adaptations provides insights into their survival strategies and helps in developing effective conservation measures.